Use a mix of targeted local outreach and practical online presence to generate concrete job leads in your first year. Focus first on neighborhood-level networking because concrete work is local and trust-based. Attend 3 to 5 local trade meetings or community association gatherings each month and bring simple printed portfolios showing before and after photos with brief captions that highlight scope and timeframes. Build relationships with general contractors and landscapers by offering a small referral fee or a free site visit to assess a job and provide a clear written quote within 48 hours. Run a basic online presence with a single clean website page showing services, service areas, contact information, a short list of materials and typical timelines, and 3 customer testimonials. Use straightforward search engine optimization techniques like including your city and service terms and headings. Use 2 social platforms that are image-friendly to post short progress photos and 1 to 2 minute explanations of techniques such as joint spacing and curing methods, and post consistently twice per week to build proof of work. Distribute simple Doorhanger flyers and 500 targeted mailers in neighborhoods with visible older driveways, and knock on doors in the mornings on weekends offering a free minor repair estimate to start conversations. 3 common mistakes kill momentum early, and each is fixable. Pricing too low to win jobs often leads to burnout and poor margins, so calculate all costs, including materials, labor, equipment depreciation, and a realistic hourly overhead, then add a healthy margin based on local competition. Poor quoting and unclear scopes cause disputes, so write concise scopes that list deliverables, timelines, payment milestones, and clean up expectations, and read them aloud to the client before sending. Neglecting follow-up after estimates wastes leads, so use a simple follow-up plan of a phone call 4 days after the estimate and a final polite check in 7 to 10 days later, and note responses in a single tracking sheet. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like driveways and patios, and we help people find local providers and contractors find work. We host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share project photos to build trust and momentum.